Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix matchmaking failed error in the finals. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first troubleshooting step that you can do here is to change your in-game region. And to do that, just go to the settings in the game and then you can change your region in the gameplay tab. So right here, this is the gameplay tab, and then change it back. So as you can see here, here's the region part. And after doing this step or troubleshooting step and the problem still persists, what you can do next is to change your platform region. So to do that, just or on PlayStation, you can make a new profile, and for the on Xbox, follow the Microsoft's guide, and on Steam, just go to the settings and then downloads right here, and then you can change your download region. So it is on this part right here, and that's it for for the second troubleshooting step. And what you can do next is to check your game files on Steam. So to do that, just right click on the finals in your Steam library and go to the properties and then install files. And then after that, just click onto the verify integrity of game files, and Steam will check and fix any missing or broken files. And then after doing this step and the process or the problem still persists, what you can do here next is to check for game updates. So just make sure that your game is up to date and restart your console or Steam to trigger updates. And then you can also try to check your internet. So you can restart also your router or modem or call your internet service provider to check for outages. And then the last thing that you can do here is be patient, because sometimes you just need to wait for the game developers to fix the issue or for your internet to get stable. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.